This is the Wysen group. My name is Tom. Today I will show you how to assemble our high back bingo chair. High back bingo chair will have one backrest, one seat, one mechanism, 2-piece armrest, one 5-star base, 5-piece caster, gas leak, and the screw. Step 1. Take the base and insert the caster to the base hole. Take the gas leak, put in the base hole also. So after that, we'll assemble the armrest to the seat. Armrest, we have a left and right side. So we are using the M6 335 and space screw. The other side also same. We also use the M635 screw with the space washer. After that, then we assemble the mechanism to the seat, and we are using M616 screw with the space, the washer. Then we will assemble the backrest to the mechanism using the M816 screw with the washer. So last step, we'll assemble the chair to the gas leak. This is our bingo chair.